the next test we're going to do is our pH test. So we're going to be using the large side of the comparator again with this test kit, and then we're going to be color matching to the pH scale on the comparator right here. So again, you take your comparator, go 18 inches down. First you want to clean it out really well between tests. Then you're going to go 18 inches down, away from your turn again, and you're going to come back up. And you have this top line right here. So we're going to go ahead, it's the 44 mil line. We're going to go ahead and get the water level, the curve of the water again, to touch the bottom of it, touching that line at eye level, and then we're going to put it down. We're going to take our R4, which is our phenol red indicator solution, and we're going to open it, and we're going to add 5 drops, holding the bottle up and down. There's our 5 drops. Now we can put this away. Now you want to put the cover on. Never use your finger, because if you use your finger, you have body oils that can affect your pH test, and you won't get an accurate reading. Invert to mix, and then it's very hard here, but you never want the sun in front of you. You want the sun on your back when you're going to hold this up and compare the colors. So then you color compare to here, and this is falling right about 7.8 on the color scale. So that is the pH test. Afterwards, you dump this not back into the cooler spa, clean out your comparator before you conduct your next test.